Guys, when I worked for the government, I made about $120,000 per year, right? And I paid 30 to 40K in taxes. I work with Steve. I made 10x that money, obviously doing the podcast and all the other entrepreneurial ventures. I paid right around that amount.
Yeah.
So I 10x my income, but I paid the same amount of taxes as when I made 1/10 of the money. That's what happens when you got a good accountant and you have a business and you're an entrepreneur, you got real estate. So this is why guys like Steve are invaluable, especially if you're going to get into the real estate game. Now crypto as well is in your repertoire.
Yeah,
because obviously
I've been doing that for like the past 4 years. Yeah, because like I said, I teach in the crypto mindset course. I'm just going to start my own thing. I'm not trying to compete with the crypto mindset guys because they're kind of have a different.
They're teaching them about the crypto. You're teaching them the tax side.
I'm teaching the very basic 101 for people that don't know anything about crypto and want to get involved with it. How to do it the right way. How to learn about it. How to get onboarded. Just kind of like the baby steps, and then to get them to the junior high school or the high school level where you pass them off to the crypto mindset guys.
Yeah, to learn crypto and then you handle the tax side. No, I mean, it's a great relationship. But yeah, guys, I mean, if that doesn't tell you guys, that's just the raw numbers. Like, Steve is the real deal.